If you're truly looking for a video editing application that's both professional grade and completely free to use, then CapCut is undoubtedly the absolute best option available. Now, in this video, I want to show you why CapCut can make your videos look several times more professional. What is CapCut? It's a video editing application released for both mobile and computer, offering professional features like effects, transitions, speed changes, background removal, automatic captions, and more. It gives you access to a whole set of cool tools. CapCut is the best option for starting video editing on mobile. First of all, its user interface is very simple. Anyone, even without editing experience, can learn how to use it in just 5 minutes. Second, AI-powered tools like background removal and auto caption make your videos much faster and more professionally produced. Third, it has a ton of ready-made templates specifically for Reels, TikTok, and YouTube. That means all you need to do is import your videos, and all the essential CapCut features you should know, like advanced timeline editing, are right there. Now, which is better, the mobile version or the desktop version? The mobile version is perfect for quick tasks. The desktop version has also become really powerful recently, and for many people it can even replace Premiere. My recommendation is to install both versions. Use mobile for filming and light edits, and desktop for more complete projects. In summary, CapCut is a professional program, but its features are in no way less than those of professional software. If you're just getting into the world of editing or looking for a quick way to make attractive videos, start with this today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. What would you like the next episode to be about? Great.